The Golden Voices of Poetry, A Journey Through Time. Part 1. The Golden Voices of Poetry, A Journey Through Time is a celebration of the world's most influential poets whose words transcend eras and borders. From ancient bards to modern visionaries, these poets have captured the essence of human experience. Their timeless verses continue to inspire, heal, and ignite imagination across generations. 1. William Shakespeare, year 1564 to 1616. William Shakespeare, the Bard of Avon, is the most celebrated playwright and poet in English literature. His sonnets and dramatic works explore themes of love, power, and human nature. His influence on language and storytelling remains unmatched. 2. William Wordsworth, year 1770 to 1850. A central figure in the Romantic movement, Wordsworth emphasized nature, emotion, and imagination in his poetry. His collaboration with Samuel Taylor Coleridge produced Lyrical Ballads, a landmark in English poetry. I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud is one of his most beloved works. 3. John Keats, year 1795 to 1821. John Keats was a Romantic poet whose sensuous imagery and emotional depth made him a literary icon. Despite his short life, he penned masterpieces like Ode to a Nightingale and To Autumn. His work explores beauty, mortality, and love. 4. Emily Dickinson, year 1830 to 1886. Emily Dickinson was a reclusive American poet known for her unique style and introspective verse. Her poems, often focused on death, nature, and the soul, broke conventional rules of rhyme and structure. She gained recognition posthumously. 5. T.S. Eliot, year 1888 to 1965. T.S. Eliot was a modernist poet whose works reflect the disillusionment of the 20th century. His landmark poem The Waste Land reshaped modern poetry. Eliot won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948. 6. Langston Hughes, year 19001 to 1967. A leading voice of the Harlem Renaissance, Langston Hughes celebrated black culture and life through jazz-infused poetry. His work often addressed social justice and the African American experience. Poems like The Negro Speaks of Rivers remain iconic. 7. Robert Lee Frost, year 1874 to 1963. Robert Frost is a quintessential American poet known for his depictions of rural New England and philosophical themes. His plain language masks deep meaning, seen in works like The Road Not Taken. He won 4 Pulitzer Prizes. 8. Walt Whitman, year 1819 to 1892. Walt Whitman revolutionized American poetry with Leaves of Grass, celebrating democracy, nature, and the human spirit. His free verse style was groundbreaking and deeply influential. He is often considered the father of modern American poetry. 9. Sylvia Plath, year 1932 to 1963. Sylvia Plath was a confessional poet whose intense, emotionally raw poetry explored themes of death, depression, and identity. Her posthumous collection Ariel cemented her legacy. She is also known for her semi-autobiographical novel The Bell Jar. 10. Maya Angelou, year 1928 to 2014. Maya Angelou was a poet, memoirist, and civil rights activist whose lyrical work spoke of resilience, identity, and black womanhood. Her poem, Still I Rise, remains a symbol of empowerment. She was a powerful cultural and literary figure. 11. Edgar Allan Poe, year 1809 to 1849. Edgar Allan Poe was an American master of Gothic poetry and dark fiction. Known for The Raven and his haunting tales, he explored the human psyche and macabre themes. He is considered a pioneer of detective fiction and horror. 12. Shel Silverstein, year 1930 to 1999. Shel Silverstein was a beloved children's poet and illustrator, known for his witty, whimsical, and thought-provoking verse. His works like Where the Sidewalk Ends enchanted generations of young readers. He also wrote songs and plays. 13. Rudyard Kipling, year 1865 to 1936. Rudyard Kipling was a British author and poet best known for The Jungle Book and his imperialist verse. He received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1907. His poem, If, remains one of the most quoted in English literature. 14. William Butler Yeats, year 1865 to 1939. W.B. Yeats was an Irish poet whose lyrical works blended mysticism, Irish nationalism, and personal vision. He won the Nobel Prize in 1923 and was instrumental in the Irish literary revival. His style evolved from Romantic to Modernist. 15. John Milton, year 16008 to 1974. John Milton was a 17th-century English poet best known for Paradise Lost, an epic retelling of the fall of man. A scholar and political thinker, his complex poetry explores free will, divine justice, and human suffering. His influence is vast. 16. Homer. Homer is the legendary ancient Greek poet credited with composing the Iliad and the Odyssey. His epic poems laid the foundation for Western literature and storytelling. Little is known about his life, but his impact is timeless. 17. Sappho, year 630 BC to 570 BC. Sappho was a Greek lyric poet from the island of Lesbos, revered for her passionate and intimate poetry. Most of her works survive in fragments, yet they express deep emotional resonance. She remains a symbol of female creativity and love. 18. Pablo Neruda, year 19004 to 1973. Pablo Neruda was a Chilean poet whose sensual and political poetry captivated readers worldwide. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1971. His 20 love poems and A Song of Despair remains a classic. 19. E. Cummings, year 1894 to 1962. E. Cummings broke traditional poetic conventions with his innovative use of syntax, grammar, and form. His poetry often explored love, individuality, and freedom. His playful, experimental style made him a modernist icon. 20. Rabindranath Tagore, year 1861 to 1941. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali poet, philosopher, and polymath who reshaped Indian literature and music. He was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. His Gitanjali remains deeply revered. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.